In this segment, we're going to talk about dichroic glass and clear. Now, we're going to use a piece of dichroic glass, which is very small, but very shiny and reflective. Now, the color part may not touch the flame because it will disappear because the flame is too hot for it. It's coated with clear glass on the one side, so to avoid taking away the dichroic color of the glass, we're going to turn it with the dichroic glass on the top side, and we're going to heat clear and seal it on top. We're going to heat the clear rod now. When heating things, it's definitely a good idea to get a fast rotation. Beginners will find it difficult, but as you become more and more experienced, it's the most important skill. And it's basically just turning the glass over and over and over again in the same place. So now that we got the glass heated up into a ball that's big enough to plunge on top of the piece of dichroic, heat it up just a little bit more, and now we are going to do it. And then we plug it on top, see how it sticks, and we get this back in the flame and work it. And to make sure that it stays together, we're going to use our mashers and now mash the glass together. Now that it is mashed, I'm going to use the marble real quick, round it out. And if you can see, there is a shiny piece of glass on the inside right here. And that is dichroic on the inside of clear, which will be the centerpiece of our artwork.